it. Hey guys, so we're actually headed out to Target right now. A little birdie told me that the dollar spot has some great decor. So I want to go check it out and see what I could grab for Valentine's, maybe DIY some things, and also see if they got some home decor, because you know I got to get my home decor. All right, well, I'll see you there. Bye. We're at the dollar spot. Let's see all the Valentine stuff that they have. Oh, I love this. I love you more than. And then you gotta write me a message every day.
Say blank. I love you more than.
And then you write me a message every day.
My Xbox.
Oh, really?
Okay.
I like that because you really love that.
My Xbox.
Yes. So I just got inspiration for the Galentine's Day. So I might decorate the house for Galentine's and have a brunch for the girls. What do you think? No? Too many girls in the house?
I don't mind.
Oh, okay. I think it's pretty cool.
I had to have it upstairs with my Xbox downstairs.
You better take it upstairs then. Because that stuff looks cute and it looks like something that you can use in the house, something that you can design and actually keep around the house. So that's what I'm gonna go over there here in a minute. And there's some cute stuff right over there too. Let's go over here first. You could put like a little plant in here, have it in there as decor. $5 decor, you can't beat that. But what caught my eye is this thing. Definitely do a DIY with this. Give it like a little rustic look. Sit it on something. Have little towels hanging down. Maybe in the kitchen. New trend right now is that farmhouse style. So this gives me all farmhouse vibes over here. Everything in this section. Let's cuddle. This is a subtle way to bring in Valentine's into your house. You can do like a farmhouse style with it. Like this says, you and me, always and forever. So cute. And then this can not just be used for Valentine's, that could be used as home decor year round. So that's a great purchase there. Ooh, I love this too. Just finding everything. I want everything out of here. You could actually take this if you're like me and don't like a lot of pink. You can use this. It has the greens in it, and then bring like this. Let's cuddle. Home sweet home. Bring it all together with the grays. All this could go with this vibe here. So just bring a little Valentine's, but still give you a subtle look where it's not screaming Valentine's Day. So I always like getting my little planners here from the dollar spot because this is what? $3 for this, and it's so cute. I love this. We are out of here. So we just left Target and got tons of good stuff. Got some home decor items, some Valentine's DIY stuff, and I can't wait to put it all together and show y'all what I make. Stay with me. I am finally done shopping. Yay! Alright guys, so I'm finally back from Target and I grabbed some amazing items. I also got inspired while there to do a Galentine's Day brunch, and I can't wait to also show you those items I got. Alright, so let me actually go ahead and dive in to everything that I bought. The first thing that I saw that caught my eye and I knew I could not pass up was this cute mug set, guys. This would be perfect for my coffee and tea area in my kitchen. It has cute little X's and O's and a heart right here. Not sure if you can see it, but it is so cute, and it was only $5 for the set, so I could not pass this item up. The next thing that I got were these two towels here. So this one right here is a stripe and it has hearts on the other side, and this one says "You are my favorite," and then it has the flowers on the back, and I'm thinking to put this maybe in the kitchen, and then this one can be at a little bar cart that I restyle for y'all. Next I grabbed this, guys. I love this. I just thought this was cute, and it could go also on the bar cart area as some decor piece, or I have a little bar area in the house that I could also stick this on and add some decor around that. The next items are actually gonna be for the Galentine's brunch. So when I was in Target, I saw so many cute things, so many brunch items. I was just like, guys, let's do Galentine's. So that is what I have here. So the first thing I grabbed was this cute little banner here. It says "Brunch Babes" and "Let's Brunch." So it actually has an assortment of letters where you can eat. It has "Let's," "Brunch," and "Babes." So you could write it any way you want, and then it has this little streamer. I'm not for sure if I want to do the streamer or just play with the words, but that's something that I'm going to DIY for the Galentine's brunch. And this right here was only $3, guys, so that's a great piece of decor, and it already comes with the brunch theme and everything I needed, so I went ahead and grabbed that. Next was this cute little banner here that says Mimosa Bar. So I'm actually gonna be doing a DIY mimosas so that the girls can get their own, fix it, add whatever juice they want. So this would be cute to go at that section too. And this one was cute because it says #gals, and I love that. The next things that I got, actually got this runner here, which is so cute. It was $5, and I'm thinking about putting it either on the table or just put it at the bar area where I'm gonna have all the food and stuff for the girls. But it's a blush pink, and it has little tassels on the end, so I just thought it would be so cute for that. Some more items I got were these pancake molds, and it's in the X and O. So I can't wait to try this out because I think this is so adorable. And then all the other stuff I got again was for the brunch. So I got these wood letters. They are so cute. I feel like I could do a DIY with it if it's not for the Valentines. I can use it Christmas time and make an ornament or somewhere else around the house. I just know that these letters are so cute, and it was only $3 for them, and it doesn't say anything about Valentine's, so it could be used year round with these items. Next, I grabbed these two things. I'm thinking about putting straws in one and then utensils in the other so that it can sit on the table when the girls are grabbing their food, and they'll be able to have access to the silverware and straws. And they were only $1, so why not? Then the straws. So these straws, I would probably put these in here. So I got those straws for that. And I saw these labels. They're in the heart shape. So I was thinking maybe like once they get their like mimosa glass, they can put this on and write their name so they can know which glass is theirs, because you know every time you have a party or an event, someone puts their glass down, can't remember where they put it, and this will actually help. And it's so cute because it's in a heart shape and it's chalkboard, so I had to pick that up. Then I got these two things. They're chalkboard easels actually. So I was thinking about maybe writing a cute little saying on this, and then on these, this one came with 4 in a pack. So I can write like mimosas or cupcake, kind of label what everything is on the table in the chalkboard easel, and so that people would know exactly what it is. So that's why I grabbed these two, and I think they're just so cute. The last thing that I got for the Galentines were these two items that I love. This one says let's do brunch, and this one is just like a appetizer tray with sections, and then it has the gold trimming on the top, and I just thought this was so cute. It's something that you can use year round. It doesn't have to just be for Valentine's, so it was a steal. I bought it for $7 a piece, so I just couldn't pass it up, and I'm in love with the gold accents that they have on both of them. So that's really it for the Valentine's items that I'm gonna be utilizing. Well, actually, I grabbed this thing here, and this thing to me could be used for the brunch, but also could be used year round. I've seen a lot of these things on Pinterest where people use it for every holiday. So I'm thinking about using this for Valentine's brunch, but also using it year round to add little decor pieces for each holiday season. And it was a steal at $5, so I just picked it up, and I know that I'm gonna be able to use this year round. The next few items that I got were home decor items, and I just could not pass them up because it's something that is universal, that can be used all year, and I know that it was worth the buy. This first one right here is a ceramic vase where you could add like eucalyptus plant or something cute in here. I'm gonna probably put this in either my bathroom or in the living room and add that eucalyptus plant in there. It was only $5, so I just had to grab this. The next thing is this candle holder. I don't know, tier it with this thing if it's in the living room. Maybe put this on a stack of books and put this on the table with a cute little candle to give it kind of little dimension and height. But these two are so cute because they match, and I just love it. So I grabbed that. Another thing that I saw and that was so cute was this sign. It says, "You and me, always and forever." It was only $3, guys, and I feel like this is something that can be used year round, as well as something for Valentine's, because it's talking about love, you and me. So it's something that can be universally used all the time around the house as home decor, and for $3, I just couldn't pass it. This was definitely a steal. The next two items were also home decor and something that I can design with and decorate with. And I was also thinking about maybe utilizing it on this thing. This one right here says, I love you more. And then this one says home sweet home. So you could stack it in here. So this is how usually like the little, like what you would see on Pinterest is somebody have like little items here and then kind of some decor. So I was thinking maybe I could do this, and this can be something used year round in my house. And then I just had to grab these items because the organizer in me would not let them go without grabbing them. So I actually just got tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of labels, because you can never have too many labels, especially as an organizer. This one right here is a dry erase label, so I could stick this on something. Maybe even in the pantry, I could add this as a label in my pantry and write on it. And you know, sometimes you move things around in the pantry, so if you have no more popcorn, you can erase this off and make it into the chip basket. So I thought this was a great steal. It was only $1. It comes with 12 in a sheet. So for $1, there's 12 of them, and I got 4 packs of this style. Then the next style was this. It's the Chalkboard Sticker. This was also $1, and it's a 24 count. So I got 2 of these. Side note, one thing that I like to do as an organizer is to label all my things, because it just makes it so much easier for me to know where it goes. Just go ahead and label your things so you can know what is what and where to put it back at. And I also found these. These are also 24 count, and it's white labels with a pink little border on there. I thought this was also really cute, so I grabbed that. And I got some little relaxing house shoes. I can hop into these and feel comfortable, walk around the house in my little robe, just feel like I'm at the spa. So I grabbed these. They were only $3, so I couldn't pass it up. The terry cloth spa flip-flops, $3. And then I bought some of these on Amazon, but it was really nice to see that they had at Target. They were $3, and I used these to scoop my bath salt out with the current ones that I got off Amazon. But these right here, I may use this in my pantry and scoop out my dry goods like my flax seeds or my chia seeds. So this would be something cute to go in my little jars. So I grabbed that. If y'all looked at my blog a while back, I made Valentines DIY bath bombs, but this year Target actually had the round molds to use, so I grabbed this bath bomb mold. The ones that I did previously for Valentine's, I did it in a heart shape, which turned out very cute, and I love them. I still use them till this day. But guys, that is everything that I got from Target. I know it's a lot of stuff, but it's so cute, and I know that it's gonna be utilized so well around the house and be perfect for this Galentine's inspired brunch. I hope you like what all I grabbed, and if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscription button below, and make sure to watch next week's video as I will be DIYing these items for the Galentine brunch, and can't wait to show y'all how it turns out. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Then we should have got a regular car.
We should have. I didn't know they had all this in there. If I would have known, I would have grabbed a bigger cart, which I probably will do.
That was my clue. Go get a cart. If I had known, I would have grabbed a regular cart. You knew you was coming to buy a bunch of stuff. You're talking about let's go to the dollar section.